Hello, Divas. It's Coach Twy here with Fyne and Fabulous, and today I wanted to take a moment to review our progress tracker, our daily Diva progress tracker. If you've reached this point in your challenge, or if you're reached this point in your planner alone, this is the point at which you begin tracking what you've planned. We've already completed the planning phase of building healthy habits. Now we're moving into tracking our healthy habits, right? So it's important to track your morning routine, what you do when you wake up. They say some of the most successful people in the world have consistent morning and evening routines. So try and build yourself a routine. Does not have to happen all at night, but small tweaks each day, each week, each month add up at the end of a year. Sleep. We want to track our sleep. It is said, it is true, it has been proven that muscle repair, digestion, fat loss, all of that happens when you sleep. So if you're at a stall and you are trying to lose more weight, or maybe trying to have less bloat in your belly, or if you are trying to build muscle, all of those things are happening when you're sleeping, boo. So if you are not getting your good REM sleep, these things will be affected. And if you're seeing good results even without getting good sleep, trust me, your results could be even better with some good sleep. So we track that. We track our sleep. In addition to that, of course, we track our meals. What did you eat that day? Because first and foremost, and beyond anything else, eating is important. What you eat, what you consume. You've heard it before, and it is true. You cannot outtrain a bad diet. You cannot work off the food that you've eaten, especially if you eat badly every day, right? So we want to track what we're eating and how many days a week, not keep it in our heads, but write it down, get it out. Spend some time getting to know yourself and your body. That is what this exercise truly does. So we're going to track our meals. We're also tracking water. Water is important. It's important for digestion. It's important because you may have headaches. It's important because you actually may feel tired because of the lack of water. It's important because of the bloat around your ankles, around your wrists, around your fingers, around your toes, around your belly, in your face. Bloat, honey, is because of a lack of water and an increase of sodium. So we want to flush out anything that doesn't belong by making sure we are drinking a good amount of water. My goal is to shoot for a gallon or more a day. If that's not your goal, you don't have to be me, but be you. If you know that your goal, or that you casually drink 16 ounces a day, shoot for 32 ounces a day, or shoot for 20. Slowly increase your water intake until you reach a goal that you're proud of. Next, workout. Did you do strength training today or cardio today? Was it good, bad, or okay? This way we can look back at our week and see how many days of cardio, how many days of strength training did we do, and did we give our best effort or our weak effort or just okay? This will help us. These data points will help us to identify where we're lacking and where we can improve. So when we move from the tracking phase into the reflection phase, then we can identify things that we need to correct. Remember, this planner is built on the premise of planning, tracking, reflecting, correcting, and then repeating that process. So, of course, just like mentioned above, morning routines are important, as are evening routines. Turn off your electronics, drink your tea, make the room dark, spray your lavender, whatever it is that you do in the evening to get you settled in for that REM sleep. Get that going. If you don't have an evening routine, this is a great time to build one. And it's also great to track how you're feeling. Are you happy, sad, or just okay today? You can track how many days you were happy this month, how many days you were sad this month. And if it's a trend, if you're sad most of the days, you might need some help. But it's great to be able to track that and have that data to give to your doctor, right? Or to just to have and consume for yourself. This exercise is learning and loving and getting to know yourself at a level that you haven't in the past. This is the only way. This is the only way to true long-lasting success, is to understand what works and what doesn't work for you, and then correct it and keep tweaking your plan until you reach and find the goals that you're trying to reach. In addition to this, we also have the fab tips that are there at the top of the second page, because this is a 2-page layout. So if we are looking for a fab tip, it's at the top of the page. For this first week of month 1, it says, label looker, grocery shopping, review the nutrition label. Studies show that people who do weigh an average of 9 pounds or less. All right, good looking, start looking. So basically every week you have a wonderful fab tip, and you also have an area where you are able to feel inspired, or just jot down something that inspired you, or notes, or whatever you like on the planner. Again, this is a 2-page layout where we are reviewing all things that are important as it relates to health and wellness in a weekly setting. I hope this made sense, and I hope you start tracking today. All right, ladies, let's get her going.